Hello, everybody. This is Mr. Covert, your biology teacher. I just wanted to go over this week's assignment with you, and here it is. So I'm going to go to classwork, and then under the remote learning tab, you're going to see the week of May 18 through 22. And so you're going to click on that assignment. And the directions are follow the instructions in the Google Doc step by step to complete the assignment. Each assignment is broken down by day of the week. You are completing all of your work in the Google Doc entitled the week of May 18 through 22 assignments. This assignment is due Friday, May 22nd at 11:59 p.m. And for my classes next week, during B week, it would be, the assignment would be labeled differently. So, anyway, the assignment is here, so I'm going to click on the actual assignment itself, and it's going to pop open this document. All of your work for the whole week is going to be completed in this document only. This is the only one that's going to be graded. First thing I want to show you is the resources. So you can click here, and same as last week, there's resources within this folder. So I'll kind of show you what those look like. There's a study guide in here, and this is all the vocabulary for the unit, as well as some visuals that might help you. This is a list of videos and websites that may help you, including this video. So this is where you would find this video link in resources. Moving on to Monday. And you can scroll through this assignment. I made this really easy. You can go, if you want to go back to resources, go to resources. If you want to go to Tuesday's work, go to Tuesday's work. You want to go to Friday's work, go to Friday's work. So we're going to stay on Monday. And we're going to start with Monday. So that's just a quick way to navigate if you get lost in the document, so you don't have to scroll. The directions, again, follow the directions step by step. You're going to read this introduction. So this is a little article with some visuals about ecology. And then you're going to watch the video on ecological relationships. And then you're going to answer the questions that follow. Anywhere where you see in this entire document that have boxes, so anywhere where you see boxes around words, that is where you need to kind of put your answers. So your answers go in the boxes. I want to make sure and just kind of scroll through the document. Do you see where all these boxes are? Those are where you're putting your answers. Those are where you're putting your answers. Anywhere where you see a box. Okay. So again, you're going to read this introduction article. You're going to watch the video for Monday, and then you can answer this question. This is the multiple choice question for part A, so you can choose the response that you think would be appropriate, and you can highlight it any color you wish. Second part is you're going to be answering, defining the types of symbiotic relationships, and again, you're filling in the blanks, so you can put whatever you would like. This is my answer. And you can edit that any way you wish. And that's Monday. Tuesday. Again, you're going to follow directions step by step. You're going to watch the video on food webs and energy pyramids. You're going to click here to watch the video. And you're going to answer the questions. Again, you're filling in the boxes. And that's Tuesday. Wednesday, you are going to follow the directions step by step. So you're going to read the article entitled Human Microbiome, Your Body is an Ecosystem. And you're going to click here to read the article. After you've read the article, you're going to answer these 6 questions based on the article you just read. And that's a typo. I think there's only 5. So again, these are multiple choice, so you can just choose the correct answer. This is not the correct answer, but you can choose which one you would like. And then this last question is you're going to type your response. Got it? All right. So that is Wednesday. Thursday, you are going to again follow the directions step by step, but you have two options for today's work. And you're only going to choose one. That's really important. Please choose only one option. So there's option A and there's option B. And you can choose whatever one you would like. So if you are an outdoorsy person, this one will be for you. And again, you're going to spend 15 minutes outside. So for option A, if you choose this, you only have to do one of them. So option A, you're going to spend 15 minutes outside and observe as many ecological interactions as you can. And you'll know what that is once you are doing the work at the beginning of the week. You're going to write a journal entry about what you observed. And this gives you details about kind of what you should be writing about. So again, it needs to be 5 sentences, and then some things you may want to look for outside are trees. So if you look around at trees, you will see a lot of ecological interactions. If you look in a garden, you might see a lot of ecological interactions. And so this is kind of what you're filling out. So again, in the box, that's where you're going to put your answer. That's option A. Now, if you don't choose option A, you can leave it blank, and then you can do option B. Option B, you're going to watch the video on lizard ecology. So if you really like reptiles and lizards, you might want to watch this. It's a very short video, about 3 minutes. And then you're going to answer the questions. And that's Thursday. Friday, again, make sure you check in with me through email and let me know what your progress is, that you're working on your work. And again, you're going to follow the directions step by step. And again, you have two options for today's work. Please only choose one of those options. Option A, you're going to basically read this information. This is a little background information. And then you're going to complete this carbon footprint calculator. So what you're going to do is you click on it and you click take the first step, and then you're going to use your type in your school email, and that will basically allow you to move forward. And you click submit. And then it's going to ask you a bunch of questions, and basically it's going to tell you what your ecological footprint is. And then based off of that, you can make a plan. So from your results, assess what places in your life you can start to reduce your ecological footprint, and then you can make a plan. And then this is where you write your plan. That's option A. And again, if you don't choose option A, you can leave option A blank and do option B. Option B is read the following document entitled The Anthropocene Poster. So you're going to click on that document, and then you're going to answer the questions. And here's where you answer the questions. And then that's it. And then once you're done with your work, there's this little beautiful button here, and I'll show you 2 different ways you can do it. So you can click this button. It's going to ask you some questions. It'll take you right to where you need to turn it in. So I'm going to click cancel. So I'll go back for a second. I'm going to go to classwork, and I'm going to go to week of May 18 through 22nd, and I'm going to click view assignment. When I'm ready to turn in this assignment, I'm going to click turn in. And then it's going to ask me a confirmation. I'm going to click turn in. And then I'm done. And if I want to turn it in another way, I'm just going to unsubmit it for a moment. So let's say if you had more corrections you wanted to make on your assignment, you could unsubmit it. So I'm going to go back to the actual assignment itself. So I'm going to click on this document. And then it should say to me, there's a little turn in button at the top right corner, and I can just click that as well. Turn in. It'll bring me right to the screen where I'm going to turn it in, and then I'm going to simply click turn in. And then I'm all set. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me and let me know how you're doing. I wish you a wonderful week full of wonderful ecological interactions, and stay safe. Adios for now.